What's up, YouTube? And I'm about to show you how to make a bowl of cereal. What you'll need is some store-bought milk, I like 2%, a bowl, and a spoon. And my personal choice of cereal is Honeycomb. It's the best. Now first what you're going to need to do is open up your box and have it all open and your cereal ready. Take it, pour it in the bowl, put it up as much as you want. Now take your milk, take it, and just pour some all over into your cereal like so. Take your milk, close up the cap, take your spoon, stick it in the bowl, and enjoy. Tastes pretty good.